So nice 6,500 ton open die hot forging press for sale. We are very pleased to offer So nice 2 sets of 6,500 ton open die hot forging presses for sale, at a very good price. An open die forging press is a massive piece of industrial machinery, used in the manufacturing of large, high-strength components, by deforming metal under high pressure. Open die forging allows the metal to float freely except where it contacts the dies. This rare press line was mainly used for forging heavy-duty crankshafts of large diesel engines. Specifications. Maker, SEONAM. Year, 2006, 2008. Type, 4 columns push-down oil hydraulic system. Nominal force, 5,000 ton at 320 bar. Upsetting, 6,500 ton at 420 bar. Stroke, 2,700 millimeters. Weight, about 1,200 ton. With 80 ton, 50 ton manipulators. If you are interested, please feel free to contact us ktso07799@gmail.com.